Welcome. If you're tired of closed captions automatically popping up on Instagram videos and want a cleaner, distraction-free viewing experience, you're in the right place. Today, I'll show you exactly how to make sure closed captions never appear on your Instagram feed, no matter what you're watching. This guide is fully updated, so you can follow along step by step with the latest version of the app. Let's get started. First, open the Instagram app on your device. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're in, head straight to your profile by tapping your profile picture icon in the bottom right corner of the screen. This will take you to your personal Instagram page. Next, look for the menu icon in the top right corner of your profile page. It looks like 3 horizontal lines, often called the hamburger menu. Tap on it to open up a list of options. From the menu, scroll down and tap on the option labeled Accessibility. This section is designed to help you customize your Instagram experience, making it easier to use for everyone. Inside the Accessibility menu, you'll see a section called Caption. Tap on it to access all the caption settings available for your account. Now, here's the key step. Look for the option that says Never Show Closed Captions. Select this option and you're all set. Instagram will now stop displaying closed captions on any videos you watch, giving you a smoother, less cluttered feed. That's all it takes. With just a few taps, you've taken control of your Instagram viewing experience. If you ever change your mind and want captions back, you can follow these same steps and choose a different option. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips on mastering your favorite social media apps. See you in the next video.